So you're trying to search for something on TikTok like this, but the search button is not actually working, or you're not even seeing the search button or the search results you're trying to look for on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to fix TikTok search not working. So looking right here is my TikTok app. So in order for you to be able to fix this issue, first you need to check your TikTok status to know if you are the only one facing this issue. Because basically, if you're not the only one facing this issue, there's high probability that none of the steps is actually going to work out for you. But if you're the only one facing this issue, that is actually fixable. So right here, we need to check the status of our TikTok by going to your Safari or your Chrome like this. Then go ahead and simply search for down detector. Just go ahead and search for downdetector.com like this. Click on it like this, and it's going to direct you to this page. So you can simply go ahead and search for TikTok here, or you can scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see the TikTok own app right here. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on it. So looking right here, it says users report shows no current problems with TikTok. So this actually means that there is actually no current problem with TikTok app right now. So if you are seeing that there is a problem with TikTok, that is actually another issue on its own. So you are going to know that maybe TikTok is down. That is why you're experiencing that issue on your own app. So let me show you another app here that have an issue. So let's say you click on this app here, which is GCI like this. You're going to see that users report shows possible problem with GCI, which actually means that GCI is probably down currently. So this is how you are going to be able to check your TikTok status to know if you are the only one facing this issue. So now that you're not the only one facing this issue, this is what you can simply do. Go back to your TikTok app like this. So right here on your TikTok app, click on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, and then go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of your screen. So once you do that, right here you're going to see settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on that like this. Scroll down a little bit and look for where you can see this option of free up space. So you just need to go ahead and click on that like this, and you'll be able to see the option of cache. So you need to go ahead and click on it like this and click on clear cache in order for you to be able to free your TikTok app cache. So the next step you need to take here is to make sure that your internet connection is actually stable. So if you are using a Wi-Fi, you need to switch to a mobile network to check if that is actually causing the issue. And if you are using a VPN, you simply need to turn it off, because the TikTok security system sometimes actually flag the VPN and it might actually cause the search button not to work entirely. So you need to check that as well. Once you are done doing all of this, but the problem is not yet fixed, then you can also go to your Play Store like this and search for the TikTok app. So just go ahead and click on the search button like this and search for TikTok. So looking right here, if you're seeing the update button like this, just go ahead and click on update in order for you to be able to update your TikTok app, because sometimes just updating the TikTok app might actually help to fix any problem you're having on the TikTok app. So if this did not actually work out for you after taking all of this step, you can now go ahead and uninstall the TikTok app and reinstall it back, then restart your device. And if this problem did not actually fix your problem, then you're going to know that it is from their own server end. So this is simply how you are going to be able to fix this issue of TikTok search not working. Hope you found this guide helpful. We've come to the very end of this video. Do it, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and tell me in the comment section the step that actually worked out for you so that others will be able to know as well. See you in the next one.